My name is Matt. I've been working for Earl's for 8 years now. Came out, customer had a clogged main line. We snaked it, got the line clear, ran a camera down the line to inspect it. Found the line had been collapsed. We then returned later, excavated the ground down to the original pipe, located the collapsed section of line. Ended up having to take out about 8 feet of line, replaced it with ABS 4-inch plastic pipe. At that point, we shaded the pipe, secured it, backfilled, and cleaned up. And the customer's back flowing and working perfectly fine now.